Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the UCL group stage free pack. So you can get free UCL live player from this feature in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before I begin, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the mission or the quest, and also how you can challenge the event so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the store and tap this one UCL group stage, and as you can see there are a lot of options here. Try to scroll down and this one, the free pack, tap the free pack, and as you can see you can get these possible rewards. I give you for example, you can get this Marcus Rashford with OVR 88 base. You can get this player if you are lucky, but if you're not, you will be guaranteed reward by 2000 coin or mixed version player with 70 until 88 OVR. So let's try our luck. I mean my luck. Tap free and tap to open. Reveal all. I got Wule. I don't know this guy, but maybe you're lucky than me. Try this luck. Try to get free pack every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. Enjoy the game.